So this is not a DIY video. It's just me trying to successfully make a workbench from the plans that you see in front of you right now. Pretty easy build, solid, sturdy, does the trick. I can take off those screws you see now and move stuff if I need to move it out of the basement. Hopefully I won't. And the main top is a door. You will see it later. You see it now. There it is. That's the door I'm going to use. Right now I'm using it to prepare my main parts, my two legs. This is my setup for now. And it's gonna go right there by my bad graffiti. That sucks. I believe that was just me cutting one of these boards. I had to do that 4 times, but I mean, it's kind of boring to see it 4 times. This is, like I said, this is not a technical video. It's just me trying to successfully do the plans as my dehumidifier drones on in the background. Make things happen. I'm drilling my dowel holes for their sturdies, the legs on top of the screws. Doing the glue up. My screws. I'm pretty sure I put glue in those doweling holes first as I pounded my dowels, just for that extra stability. It worked great. I don't know what that shot is, but yeah, these are all my parts. Only need 4 and the door. Slapping it all together. Did I glue that together? Maybe I can't take it apart. Huh. Anyway, here's the door, the main door. I just screwed into that main frame, obviously. Now I need to make my top. Beautiful. I didn't show myself taking off the door hardware, but yeah, there was some door hardware I had to take off. Nothing is solid. That's why this is a great plan. If you got a nice solid old door, Mine's from like the 30s. It's the original door. It's my original back door. I didn't take it off. The other owners did, and they put it in the shed for some reason. They put a new one on, obviously. So I dropped some sinkholes and screwed, so you can screw in that material. And now I'm just putting dowels in the holes and covering it up. Obviously, gluing it up and then sawing it off. I don't know what that material is, but it's really dense and thick, and it's just good for a surface. Smooth. Next time I want to get a truck and get one full piece rather than piecemealing it together. They kind of look crappy too, you know. And I didn't show the how I did the pegboard, but it's pretty simple. You just slap a couple of 2x4s and that's your pegboard support. Pretty easy, effective. Highly recommend it.